about picking up one keystone habit. Now, keystone habit is a habit. The moment you create that habit, it has ripple effects on your life. Let's say a habit of waking up early. The moment you're waking up early, that means you have to go to bed early. That means at night you might be spending more time on your phone or doing unproductive activity. That will reduce. The moment you wake up early, you have much more positivity in it. You might go for a workout or you might meditate. So automatically that habit of waking up early is helping you to create more positive habits. For others, it can be working out daily, or the keystone habit can be reading. There are multiple keystone habits. What you need to do is you need to reflect on your life and you need to see which one habit can create ripple effects in your life. The moment you find that habit, focus all your energies for next 2 months on building that habit, because the moment you create that keystone habit, it will create that ripple effect and it will make it easier for you to create new habits.